Understanding the importance of daytime privacy. In the bustling urban centers of Ontario, maintaining a sense of privacy during the day can be a significant challenge. With towering buildings, close-knit neighborhoods, and the ever-present gaze of passers-by, your home or office can quickly feel like a fishbowl, compromising your personal comfort and security. Solar shades offer a solution to this dilemma, providing a discreet and effective way to control the visibility into your space. By strategically positioning solar shades, you can create a barrier that filters the incoming light while preserving your ability to enjoy the view from within. This not only enhances your sense of privacy but also allows you to control the level of natural light, creating a personalized and inviting ambiance. Whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or simply seeking a tranquil retreat, solar shades can be the key to unlocking the privacy you deserve. The role of solar shades in energy efficiency. In addition to their privacy-enhancing capabilities, solar shades play a crucial role in improving the energy efficiency of your home or office. By regulating the amount of sunlight that enters your space, these window coverings can significantly reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems, leading to tangible cost savings on your energy bills. During the hot summer months, solar shades can block the sun's intense rays, preventing excessive heat buildup and minimizing the need for air conditioning. Conversely, in the colder winter months, solar shades can help retain the warmth generated by your heating system, reducing the amount of energy required to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This dual-function capability makes solar shades a smart investment that pays dividends in the long run, both in terms of energy savings and environmental sustainability. Please like, share and subscribe and have a great day.